Every now and then, you go into your camper and you have a problem like this. Today, we're gonna look at how you can fix it using a new screw and a little plastic insert. We're gonna take the little insert, we're gonna put it in the original hole, and we're gonna hammer that in. Or if we can, we'll press it in. All right, I'm gonna go get a hammer, we're gonna tap that in. I saved the original screw. We're gonna make sure that that is lined up the right way. In this case, this is how it goes back in with the larger part away from the camper wall. You can look at the other side if you wanna remember how you did it. And then we're just gonna push this back in there and get a screwdriver and screw it in. All right, let's take a look and see if that did the job. Like brand new. Just like that.